Namaste. Today we are learning full yogic breath. Full yogic breath have many benefits. Big benefit is learning how to use the maximum capacity of the lungs. Other one is just to relax you. It re-energize you. And how to do, first let's lay down on your back. Keep your one palm on your belly and one palm on the chest. Your elbows resting on the ground. If your elbows is not resting on the ground, maybe put something underneath of your elbows. So let's just eyes closed and feel your breathing. Just feel breathing is happening into your belly. When you inhale, your belly is slightly rising up and into all direction. And as you exhale, your belly is going down. Just do a few times like that. If you don't know abdominal breathing, please go to the pranayam section and learn from there. There is one breathing is called abdominal breath. If you know abdominal breathing, you can do this breathing. Otherwise, it's a little bit challenging. Just few more times. Abdominal breathing happening in your belly. Inhale, rise your belly into all direction. Exhale, coming down, and just relax every organ of your belly. Now let's guide a little bit more. This time exhale. Exhale until Mooladhara. Inhale into your belly, into your lungs, upper lungs, and all the way up until chest, until your throat. Now exhale from your upper chest, lower lungs, and all the way exhale from belly to your Mooladhara chakra until pelvis. Now inhale into your belly, into your lower lungs, middle lungs, and top of the lungs. Exhale from top of the lungs, lower lungs, all the way exhaling until your Mooladhara chakra. One more time. Inhale into your belly, lungs, middle lungs, top of the lungs. Exhale from top of the lungs, middle lungs, lower lungs, from belly, and all the way exhale from your Mooladhara chakra. Keep continue yourself. Keep going yourself. And every time little bit more smooth. Smooth inhale, smooth exhale. No stress on your face at all. Beautiful. Keep continue relaxing your skin and just feel you are recharging yourself. You're using maximum lungs to get more prana, more happy energy. Just keep going. Just few more minutes. In 10 minutes, it just recharge you. Just create harmony between sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve system. It calms you. Just few more rounds. With more, relax your face. Continue deeper breathing. Very nice. You're doing very well. Let's make one more round. And just let go your breathing and just feel naturally is happening breathing into your belly. But that happening itself, beautiful. As you inhale, your belly goes up. As you exhale, your belly goes down. Very nice. Very relaxing. You can continue for a few more minutes. You can do this practice before going to sleep. It's very calm. It helps you to go deep, deep sleep. Or if you're feeling stress, that's a very good practice. If you're feeling a little bit fear, or if you're feeling a little bit anger, that's also very helpful practice. You can do any time. It is nice to do before going to sleep. Namaste and have a beautiful, happy day.